how to log in into Dynatrace University account. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your desktop, open up any web browser that you want and on the search URL type in Dynatrace University login, then press enter on your keyboard. Then you will be taken to this interface. Now head over to the first link that says Dynatrace University. Once you get to this interface, if you scroll down a bit and on your left hand side, you will get a button as log in into Dynatrace University, or you can also go through the login button from the top of this option in the menu bar. Next to support button, there is a login button as well. So you can either go any way. After that, you will be taken into login page. First of all, enter your valid email address associated with your account, or you can also sign in with your Microsoft account as well. For that, simply click on this sign in with Microsoft. After that, provide your login information and you will be logged into your account. Now, once you're done typing in your email, click on this next button. Now, you have to enter your valid password, so make sure you enter your correct password. And if you want to save in your login information for the next time, you will not be asked to enter the login information again whenever you try to log in this device. For that, click on this checkbox that says Remember Me. Or in case you forgot your password, there is a link provided that says Forgot Your Password. Click on that and follow some screen instructions, and that will help you out to recover your password. Now, if you're done typing in your password here, then click on this sign in button. Then on the next page, you will be successfully logged into your account if you have entered the correct login information. And that's how you can log in into Dynatrace University account. That's all for today's tutorial. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe our channel and do not forget to like, comment, and hit the notification bell icon. Thanks for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.